Yes, me there here again once more, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Yeah, I am going to present videos to you that are being talked about on social media, alright? So first things first, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a person holding something that looks like a gun. I said looks like a gun. Me Dancehall skilla, I don't like to jump to conclusion. You see me? Sometimes when I see certain videos, I like to look, listen, observe and think. The video is being talked about on social media because the video shows the person holding something that looks like a gun. And that's one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now I'm going to present the video to you, and then after I present the video to you, I'm going to read some of the comments that have been made on social media where I saw the video. Alright? Now please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Not for them I down here. Remember, I'm going to buy a couple rifle down the road too. All boy when you say them not link with me, have some rifle shot for them. Remember that you think a joking thing and pay a rifle rubber bus for them. Big up my friend Sonny.
Now clearly you can hear that the person speak in a Jamaican accent, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Now let me read some of the comments them that I saw on social media about this video. Alright? Now one of the comments that have been made on social media by someone says, Horace Chang, hope you see what's taking place in JA. Another comment from someone says, hope that will be a confirmation with him and the cops. Another comment from someone said, get Sonny too, please and thanks, officer. Another comment from someone said, it was nice meeting you. Hope the police them know, say, he's not no gunman, but he knows who they are. Huh? Alright, so another comment from someone said, boss a shot, po po. Right. Another comment from someone said, in 1, 2, 3, the police the AU foot. Another comment from someone said, that is just piece of what is in Jamaica. This government corrupt. The country so bad it never did crime free, but at the worst at Jamaica right now. Another comment from someone said, waiting on a few moments later. More comments have been made about the video on social media, viewers and subscribers. See? So I'm just read some of the comments that when we see on social media where that video have been posted, viewers and subscribers. So I say, so would I like you to tell me what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. I would like you to tell me if you believe that's a real gun or not. You can also tell me what you think based on what you can see and hear in the video. Alright? Now I'm going to present videos to you that are going to show separate locations and also show separate incidents of persons stealing, viewers and subscribers. So let me explain some more. Each of these videos that I'm about to present to you are going to show persons stealing. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when any of these videos had been recorded, viewers and subscribers. And one of the reasons why I'm presenting these videos to you is because they are being talked about on social media. I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to look at each and every one of these videos and tell me what you think about each and every one of these separate situations. See? Anyways, let me present these videos to you, and please bear in mind that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Alright, so here's one video right here now that shows a person, or you could say a female, who had been caught on camera doing this thing that is known as shoplifting. But look. Alright, now let me roll to our next video now, viewers and subscribers. Alright, now look with me now. See it here now. Here's another video that shows a female who had been caught on camera doing this thing that is known as shoplifting, or you could say stealing. So the female just got inside of the store or the business place, And look. See that? Now, before I present the next video to you, I want to tell you that I saw another video that shows a female who was dressed similarly to the female who went inside of the store or the business place and take whatsoever the person take or did that thing that is considered as shoplifting. And in that next video that I saw, the female said some words that gave me the understanding that the female basically was denying that she do anything like that. You see me, my people? Alright, so I can move on to the next video now, viewers and subscribers. See? You know, I look on a video there and in my point of view, I think I see some type of strategy that the person doing. I want to see what me ask my people. I tell you. Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a female. And in the video, the female went on to talk about or explain a very sad situation, viewers and subscribers. And on a reel, I'm touched by some words that the female said in the video. I respect anyone who have ambition and are trying a life. And sometimes when you are trying a life, certain things can happen that might set you back in life. But don't give up. Don't give up. See me? Now viewers and subscribers, brace yourself, because in my point of view, it seems as if the female was sad at the time when the video be recorded. I saw tears, viewers and subscribers. I saw tears coming from the female's eyes. Alright? So viewer discretion is advised for this video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think about the words that the female said in this video.
Morning, guys. Morning. Come to talk about something. Friday was my birthday, March 24th. So, last night, I go up on the road with my friend them and stuff. I left my baby, I left my son with his grandfather. The only thing, when I did the party and thing, first of all, when I build my house, I never have nothing in my house. I just have one bed in my house. I never have no pillow on my bed. I never have no stove. I never have nothing at all.
Channel. Channel star. Tell it.
So, you know, I used to write my regular bar. So, you know, I see my giant partner. Like everything, I was son and a daughter. The only thing we hear, so I was born down with thank God. Every single thing, but I'm the bad God. So sorry. Everything got my passport, but my son's close, my daughter's close, but I'm not at all. Everything good. Guys, I just have to get a little help, please. We are making everything good.
My people, why me I tell you, me say, my people, me I tell you, me not, and one thing me respect you, man, I say, anybody who have ambition and anybody who are trying to do the right thing and not do nothing illegal for try earn a living or for make a living and so forth, and them people I respect, you know, and boy, me I tell you, boy, me I tell you, me see a next piece of video that shows a spot where you can see like, you know, a place was burnt or so forth. You understand me? It's sad. It's really sad. See me? And I tell my people. Yeah, so someone sent me this video, you know, or someone brought the video to my attention. And I show you the video just as how I see the video. But I one thing I want to say to that female, no, don't give up. Don't give up. See. Alright, my people, I think here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.